We're continuing this streak of talking about different LARP channels, and this day, I was gonna say week, but today, we are going to talk about Mochi versus LARP. Mochi versus LARP is run by Avery? Is that how we pronounce it? Avery. I'm sorry if I'm saying it wrong. Also known as Mochi. And you might know her from, what is it called? LARP Tales from Beyond the Grave. The thing we did in October where we told scary stories. She had a scary story there. And you might know her channel from there. Otherwise, go check that video out after this one, because, yeah, you need to hear this. This channel is about her starting out as a new player, as a noob, so to speak, to navigate this crazy world of LARP that we have. Navigate around in this whole LARPing community, figuring out what everything is and trying different things out. Now, the channel started back when she was going for first LARP, which was Picoline. And she was playing a Scottish character, I think. And don't worry, Mochi, only the Scottish do a proper Scottish accent. I don't even know where to begin. Mochi vs. LARP. Her channel just makes me smile every time I watch one of her videos. Her own enthusiasm, her own positive energy, her smiling. She is just contagious. It makes me happy when I'm watching her videos, and it just makes me smile. So if you're having a down day, go watch her channel. It's bound to lift your spirit just a little. Also, when you do go visit the channel for the first time, if you go to the front page of the channel, it states there's no videos on the channel. At least that's what I saw. That's a lie. Mochi, that's something we have to talk about. You have to put videos out on the front page of your YouTube channel, otherwise yep, we need to change that. Because you have a lot of good videos. In order to get to the videos, you actually need to go up and click on the video tab of the channel. Sometimes YouTube channels just do that. I don't know why. It's a shame because there's a really lot of good videos and they should really be on the front page of this channel. So if you're in need of a smile, if you're in need of a LARP video that makes you happy, or if you're just a new LARPer and want to hear what other new LARPers do, or just follow a new LARPer and see what kind of thoughts a new LARPer have in this new community of LARP, because let's face it, LARP has changed a lot over the years. Back when I started LARPing, some of those practices are frowned upon today. I mean, heck, I made a video on where I used a bamboo stick for a core and people freaked out because that thing is dangerous. Back in the day, that was okay. I still make bamboo swords with kids. They learn when they hit each other, it's gonna hurt, and that way they don't get hit that much often. Never mind, it's not important. Let's move on. Not enough about me talking about hitting kids. If you want to see more from Mochi vs. LARP and hear more about what her deal with LARP is, you should go check out her Facebook profile or her Instagram profile. I'm gonna put the links down here in the description in the doodly-doo down below. There's also gonna be a link for the YouTube channel, and yeah, check it out. It's bound to be something you like there. See you LARPers later. Bye. You can jump over and subscribe to Mochi vs. LARP right here and watch one of the videos on the other side of this video. So don't click away just yet. Just click on the video and then you'll go there and watch this video from Mochi vs. LARP.